Good morning, students. Welcome to the digital classroom with Holy Heart Schools. Today, we are going to discuss our topic National Highways. National highways are the roads that connect industrial cities with the state capitals within the country. National highways have become the essence of the road network in today's scenario as they connect the northern, southern, eastern, and the western parts of India with each other. All the credit for this goes to the National Highway Authority of India, which takes care of this road network from its construction to maintenance. National highways are maintained by the Central Public Work Department. The National Highway Authority of India is an autonomous agency of the Government of India responsible for the management of the network of over 60,000 kilometers of national highways in India. The authority is a nodal agency of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. These highways play a very important role in the economic development of the country, and we are blessed with the wide connectivity of roadways in our country. So now we are going to discuss some of the important national highways of India. So let's start with National Highway number 44, which is the longest national highway in our country. It is a major north-south national highway running from Srinagar in Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. It passes through the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir in addition to the states of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. It came into being by merging 7 national highways in full or part. Next we have National Highway number 53. It is a combination of old National Highway number 6, National Highway number 200 and NH5A. It connects Hazira in Gujarat to Paradip Port in Odisha. It passes through the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. This highway is 1795 meter long. Now next we have National Highway number 47. It is a primary national highway in India. It starts from Bhabanpur in Gujarat and terminates at Nagpur in Maharashtra. This national highway is about 1006 km long, and before renumbering of national highways in 2010, NH47 was variously numbered as Old National Highways 8A, 59, 59A and 69. Now next we have National Highway number 31. It is a primary national highway in India. It starts from Unnao in Uttar Pradesh and passes through Bihar and terminates at its crossing with the state highway number 10 at Samsi in Malda district of West Bengal. Now next we have National Highway number 3, and this is according to the old number. It is commonly referred to as Agra Bombay Road or just Agra Road in Bombay. It was one of the major national highways that ran through the states of Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra in India. The national highway still exists, but its various segments have been assigned new numbers. According to the new number, National Highway number 3 starts from Attari adjacent to India-Pakistan border and near Amritsar and terminates at Leh and Ladakh via Manali in Himachal Pradesh. The next one is National Highway number 13. It is a part of larger Trans-Arunachal Highway network and is 1559 km long, two-lane national highway across Arunachal Pradesh in India, running from Tewang in northwest to Bokaro in southeast. Entire route became operational in 2018 when 6.2 km long Dibang River Bridge was completed across Dibang River. Now the next one is National Highway number 34. It is a national highway that runs from Gangotri Dham in Uttarakhand to Lucknow in Madhya Pradesh, passing through the state of Uttar Pradesh. Other than these national highways, Char Dham National Highway is an undertaken construction two-lane national highway with a minimum width of 10 meters in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. The under construction highway will complement the under construction Char Dham railway by connecting the four holy places in Uttarakhand, namely Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, and Yamunotri. The project includes 900-kilometer national highways which will connect whole of the Uttarakhand state. Now students, with this I have discussed every national highway given in your topic. Now please solve the chapter yourself and please keep exploring and please try to solve the cross questions given at the end of this video. Thank you. Cross questions. Define national highway. Number 2. Name the national highway which is popularly referred to as AB Road or the Agra to Bombay Highway. Number 3. Which is the longest national highway of India? Number 4. Which national highway connects Hazira in Gujarat to Paradip Port in Odisha? And at last we have that name the national highway connecting 4 mega cities of India.